Hello kids! Today, we'll get to know one of the forest's big and loving residents, the bear. Bears catch attention with their thick fur and powerful claws. They usually enjoy roaming on their own, but when they come together with their families, they experience great joy. In the depths of the forest, you'll recognize them with a sweet smile and warm hug. Spending time with them feels like playing fun games and sharing delicious honey treats. Bears represent the strength and joy of the forest. Hello kids! Today, we'll meet one of the cheerful and cute residents of the forest, the rabbit. Rabbits are known for their long ears and fluffy tails. They wake up early in the morning and catch the first light of the day by playing in the grass. With their cheerful demeanor and cute appearance, they win everyone's love. Spending time with rabbits means feeling the peace of nature. They reflect the colors and joy of the forest with life-filled energy. Hello kids! Today, we'll get to know the melodious and colorful residents of the forest, the birds. Birds carry all the colors under their wings and dance in the sky. They break the silence of the forest with their sweet songs in the morning, reminding us that they are a part of nature. They enjoy the freedom by perching on tree branches and skillfully play the music of nature. They represent the spirit and beauty of the forest.